Hello students, last period we learned parts of computer. Today we start our first lesson, parts and functions of computer. For learning that lesson we use one animated video. Then let's start our first lesson, functions and parts of a computer.
Children, today we will see how does exactly a computer works. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instruction into the computer to make it work. These are called as data. A computer works in three basic steps, which is called as IPO cycle, that is input, processing and output. Let us see some real-life examples of IPO. First example, sharpening pencil. Input is blunt pencil, processing is sharpening and output is sharpened pencil. Second example, washing the clothes. Input is dirty clothes, processing is washing in washing machine and output is clean clothes. Third example, making a tea. Inputs are tea powder, sugar, milk and water. Processing is to on the stove and boiling of tea. Output is the tea. Example 4. Brushing our teeth. Inputs are brush and Colgate. Processing is brushing and output is clean teeth. Did you understand the process of input, processing and output now, children? Everything in our real life works on IPO cycle. Let us take the example of our body. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear it with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. In the same way, computer works on input, processing and output. Let us see one by one. Input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called inputs. We input data using a keyboard and mouse. Processing. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculation. Output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor screen. Monitor and printer are most common output devices. Let us understand the working of a computer with example. Let us take input 2 and 5. And plus. Plus is an instruction. It is also known as input. Processing. We will add 2 and 5. So we will write 2 plus 5. And output will be addition of that two numbers. That is 7. In this way, computer and its all programs works on IPO cycle. Thank you for visiting kidszone.com. Please like and subscribe my channel to know more and stay updated. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.